Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to switch TikTok account. So I'm going to show you two ways. So to start, open TikTok app. Now go to your profile at the bottom right. Next, click the three lines at the top right. And what you need to do is to go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down to the bottom and look for switch account. So if you see that, tap on it and you can switch your account in here. So if you have an account already, just click on that other account and it will be switched right away. If you don't have one yet, you can just click on add account and add your email or phone number just like you would if you sign in into TikTok. So again, just click your profile icon at the bottom right and click the three lines at the top right. Then go to settings and privacy. Then scroll down to the bottom and just click switch account. I hope you find this helpful. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.